Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Ayan, and today we gather to tackle the pressing issue of reservation. That should it be given or not? I believe that it should be given. So let's go into the heart of this matter and let's talk about it. So first thing which I want to say about reservation that it played main role in our to develop our India, because for developing any country we need citizen. When all the citizens will come together, will do something for our country, when will will go in doctors and will become doctors and other things, so our country will develop. So earlier what used to happen that discrimination used to happen with the lower caste people. They had not any kind of rights to do anything. They were not allowed in hospitals, in communities, and even they general people used to beat them. Low upper caste people used to beat them even. But because of reservation, they got right to do something in their life. Okay, and because of this thing, they were able to show their ability. They were show their ability that what can they do. Because of this thing, most of the lower caste people became doctor, IES, and other things by which our country developed. I believe this thing that reservation played main role to develop our India. That's all.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mantasha. I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on a topic that is, should reservation be continued further in India or not? Well, I personally believe that reservation should be continued further in our India, should not be continued further in our India. So I would like to begin with telling something which mostly people ignore, and I would say that some people don't know about that. As we know very well that why reservation had started earlier. We know very well that there was discrimination was happening with the lower caste people. They were getting discrimination. They were bearing problem, a lot of problem that was created by the upper caste people. Means upper caste people used to beat them. Upper caste people used to tease them. So that's why our great politician, I would say, and the father of constitution felt for them, and he worked for the reservation, and he implemented reservation. And why he implemented reservation? That for uplift the lower caste people and to create reservation, to create equality among the people, just because of the reservation. So you know what happened after that? He implemented reservation. After that, with that, at first with that he also put the time period for the reservation, that reservation should not be continued for always. It should be continued for some years, just for uplift the lower caste people, the backward people. So that's why he implemented. But you can see that here still 8 years has completed, had 8 years has completed since a long, sorry, before a long back. But reservation is still here. Why? Because involvement of the politics in the constitution did this thing. You know why they did this thing? Because politicians make benefits from it. As we know very well what happens sometime, and most of the time is it happens at the time of the election. They miss, they highlight their castes, and they gain their vote. They get increment in their vote, and they get empowerment of any city and in any country. And I would say that it is really very bad thing, because they are becoming selfish, and just they are thinking about their self. Um Thinking about their self, because as you can see that if this kind of the politician are just highlighting their caste, they are not thinking about the youth of the India, about the about the future of the India. They're just destroying our India, and they are not working about the development of the India.
Okay, directly I wanna answer her. She was mentioning about the lower caste people that in politics, what is happening, they are just thinking about themselves. They are not thinking about our India, about other people. But I really believe that I think they should think about themselves, because they are backward. They have not come totally equal to the upper caste people. Only upper lower caste people know the condition of the lower caste people, that in which condition, means what kind of condition they are facing. So definitely they will talk about their caste, because what kind of condition they are facing. Upper caste people will you talk about their upper caste people.
I did say this. They should mention, but they highlight most of the time. They highlight their caste just for gaining the votes. I am saying this. And secondly, I would like to tell you that as we know very well, the seats are reserved for the lower caste people in. Are you saying? Okay, sir. So seats are reserved for the lower caste people in any sector of the India. If you want to see up in the education sector, so here seats are reserved. If you want to see in the medical sector, so seats are reserved in that sector. But and I would say here that on the other hand, you would see that a people who belongs to the lower caste, he has good income source. Nevertheless, he is getting exemption means everywhere he is getting exemption. On the other hand, a person who belongs to the general caste, he is living in the slums. He has not money for his education. He has not money for his bread and butter. But because he is from the general caste, that's why he is not getting reservation. So I would like to give here conclusion that if government is providing reservation, if the government is implementing reservation furthermore, so I would say that reservation should be as an option for all citizens of India. It should not be as a opportunity of lower caste people.
Okay, how many people are poor in general caste?
I didn't do survey.
Approximately
ever.
5% people are poor in general caste. And if I tell you about the lower caste, so approximately 30 to 40% people are still poor in our India. And in 5% general people, there are those people who did not value money. They inherited money, properties, and other things, but they did not value the gamble, and now they are poor. Out of 5%, some general people are there. Okay, so shouldn't it be given to lower caste people who do not have anything, who do not have resource to study, who do not have resource to study to get job?